morning everyone. I am Shalu, student teacher of Army Institute of Education, batch 2325. So, students, before starting a new chapter, I am asking some question from you. So, students, as you know, in rural areas, how the problem is solved. As you know, how people can resolve their problems from the local level. In local level, they can't go in the urban areas, as you know, and before they resolve their problem, as they go directly to the upper administrative areas as no students. So they resolve their problems in local areas. So here we start our chapter. The chapter name is Panchayati Raj Institution. Introductions of Panchayati Raj institutions. So basically, you know, yes, here Himanshi, you can tell me in your hometown how the people lead and how is their problem resolved. As you know, yes.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So I try to resolve all the problems like which will be discussed in the Panchayati Raj institution. So students, Panchayati Raj institution basically क्या है बेटा ये? The Panchayati Raj institution played a very vital role in promoting grassroots democracy. So basically it means, students, what does it mean? Grassroots. Yes, Tanu. Grassroots
Democracy.
Democracy. Very good. Yes, everyone listen. Grassroots democracy, it is a down level government which is supposed to be solve people problems through in local bodies. Okay. So they empower our local communities by decentralization. So what is the meaning of decentralization? The meaning of decentralization means power divisions. What is mean? Power dividing. And how is it power dividing? As you know, the distributions of powers. The distributions of power from different level. The distribution of power from different peoples who supposed to be rule in their communities. Okay. So students, basically it is a grassroots democracy and they empower local communities by decentralization power and enabling citizens to participate in decision making process. Basically, in rural areas, as you know, there is a gram level. Gram level yani it means it are small communities which held a meeting in a gram level. Okay, students, gram level mein there are distributions of people who is supposed to make the issues from the people and in local communities, and they address their issues to their like gram panchayat level headmaster, yeah, we can say like a block level, gram level, and the different level of distribute of their yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. In historical context, what we will see, beta? The Raj system was established in India in 1959. What was the date, beta? The 1959. To promote local self-governance, it aimed to empower rural population. Okay, but what their problems? They resolve their problems rural population. Rural population in the means which their village and they address their problems. Not about like urban areas, like some urban areas. Not about that. It is only about in rural areas. Okay. So it aimed to empower rural populations and ensure their voices. But they were called. They will raise your voice. They will say yes. Someone have like electricity issues. Someone have like we can say like water scarcity, like some other thing which were like in their village problems. Okay, but they will sort of about the particular sarpanch in their community. Okay, so it aimed to empower rural populations and ensure their voices are heard in democratic process. Like it is a process, like we can say na in like democracy what way there are proper law which were formulated by our constitution, as we know. So these rules, their laws which will be implemented in our society and sorted in the particular rules and law which will be made by our constitution. So basically क्या होता है बेटा कि it aim to empower rural population, ensure their voices are heard in the democratic process, and understanding its history helps us appreciate its evolution and significance. So basically in 1951-59 it addressed and said about the like rural population which will address their problem to their particular village sarpanch, and they will sort out their problems. Now next, so what is the structure of PRI? First of all, you will say what is the meaning of PRI? Yes, tell me what is the meaning of PRI? What is the full form of PRI?
Panchayati Raj Institutions.
Yes, very good. Clap for a girl. Panchayati Raj
Institutions.
Panchayati Raj Institution. Okay. Okay. So students, as we know the meaning of PRI, Panchayati Raj Institution. So PRI consists of 3 tiers. Okay students, the tiers is Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat which were held in particular village area. The word which we say the meaning of Gram Panchayat. Okay, it is held in a particular village level. Okay, so Panchayat Samiti. So Panchayat Samiti which means it is a block level. Basically beta, it is a tier system. Okay beta, क्या है बेटा इसकी 3 टायर है, but we can say 3 tier. Yes students, tell 3 tiers. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
All of clear ना बेटा? I think मुझे दोबारा ना बोलना पड़े आपको. Okay. So this is a triangle. As you know ना, मैथ में पढ़ा है ना triangle. So basically we divide A into different line. Okay, this is my mistake. So okay, this is 3 tier. Okay. Okay students, the first one is Gram Panchayat. Okay, the first one is, yes tell.
Gram Panchayat.
Okay, very good. The second one is Jila Parishad. नहीं बेटा, the second one is Panchayat Samiti. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
I hope clear to everyone. And the third one is Jila
Parishad.
Parishad. Okay. So basically बेटा जो ग्राम पंचायत होता है वो होता है पर्टिकुलर विलेज. एज यू नो ना, जो मैंने स्टोरी बताई थी आपको, एक पर्टिकुलर विलेज की स्टोरी जो बताई थी, वो होता है ग्राम पंचायत, जो विलेज लेवल में होता है. अब पंचायत समिति जो होती है बेटा वो होती है ब्लॉक लेवल. ब्लॉक यानी एक पर्टिकुलर इसका डिवाइडेड है कि जो पंचायत समिति होता है लाइक एक विलेज होता है, एक नीचे लेवल में होता है, फिर जो अपर लेवल होता है एक ब्लॉक लेवल होता है, एक पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक होता है. ठीक है, वो ब्लॉक लेवल में बेटा क्या होता है कि वो पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक लेवल जो होता है एक पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक लेवल में होता है. ठीक है, अब जिला परिषद जो है बेटा वो एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में होता है. एज यू नो देयर आर डिफरेंट विलेजेस हु हैज सपोज टू अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. उनका क्या होता है, एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट होता है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट वी कैन से लाइक इन आवर होम टाउन, we can say like for different example we can take like in like our village like Almora. Okay, in Almora we have a district as you know. ठीक है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट होता है. तो वो क्या होता है, वो उस डिस्ट्रिक्ट के जो मजिस्ट्रेट होगा उसको वो प्रॉब्लम्स बोलेंगे, वहां के विलेज के लेवल बोलेंगे, एंड दे विल सॉर्ट आउट देयर प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ऑल द थिंग्स व्हिच दे विल सपोज टू कैरी. ओके, सो वी नो. ठीक है बेटा. Now, ensuring a bottom-up approach to governance that enhances local participation and accountability. What is the meaning of accountability? यानी उनकी एक पर्टिकुलर क्या होती है, जिम्मेदारी होती है. क्या होती है उनकी पर्टिकुलर जिम्मेदारी होती है. ओके, so now we will move empowerment of women. Okay, the topic is empowerment of the subheading of Panchayati Raj Institution, empowerment of women. What was basically we expect empowerment of women? Basically, in Panchayati Raj, PRI, in short we can say PRI. So basically in short PRI, what we can say, empowerment of women, basically women participation. So बेटा बेसिकली क्या होता है पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन में, वुमेन का एक्टिवली जो था पार्टिसिपेशन था. इन ग्रास रूट डेमोक्रेसी वी कैन से जो फीमेल्स थी उनका एक्टिविटी पार्टिसिपेशन बिकॉज ऑफ 1/3 पार्टिसिपेशन जो था हमारा वुमेन का था. किसका था बेटा? वुमेन का था. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट इम्पैक्ट्स of PRI is the empowerment of women by reserving seats for women in local bodies. Particularly क्या होता है बेटा? In local bodies में जो women है उनके लिए सीट रिजर्व थी. Okay? In PRI have facilitated their participation in governance, leading to improved socio-economic condition and greater gender equality in rural areas. So basically क्या होता है बेटा? As we know in past, there is a very few, as we know कि gender inequality biasness थी, as we know, but in empowerment of women की women ने अपनी जो voice थी वो raise की, and they actively participation in local bodies and they actively participation in like there in like elections, votes, as we can say. तो वहां पे उन्होंने अपना actively role दिखाया. So as we know in women there is a actively participation. So okay students, so community development initiatives. So in Panchayati Raj institution there are a highly influence like community क्या हुई उसमें like particular initiatives लिए गए. Initiatives in what in which term we can say initiatives? Basically Panchayati Raj institution drive various community development. They were decided like a community meeting, as we know there in school we can say like there is a people teacher meeting, as we say teacher and students meeting ना. तो वैसे इनका क्या होता था, एक कम्युनिटी मीटिंग होती थी. इन कम्युनिटी मीटिंग में क्या होते थे, वो क्या कौन से उन्होंने प्रॉब्लम जो थी बेटा उन्होंने ग्रीवेंसेस जो थी उनकी जो पूछी जाती थी, वहां पे ग्रीवेंसेस पूछे जाते थे. बेसिकली जो ग्रीवेंसेस वहां पूछे जाते थे वो होते थे हेल्थ से रिलेटेड, एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड एंड सैनिटाइजेशन से. एज यू नो ना सैनिटेशन क्या होता है कि सैनिटेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि एज यू नो कि रूरल एरियाज में वहां इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दी जाती जस्ट रिगार्डिंग फॉर लाइक हेल्थ एंड मैनी पुअर कंडीशंस ऑफ विलेज लाइफस्टाइल्स. तो दे नो कि उन्होंने क्या इनिशिएटिव लिया कि हमें हेल्थ से रिलेटेड लोगों को अवेयरनेस दिखानी है, एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड दिखानी है एंड सैनिटाइजेशन से रिलेटेड दिखानी है. बाय इन्वॉल्विंग लोकल पॉपुलेशंस दिस इनिशिएटिव्स आर मोर इफेक्टिव एंड टेलर्ड टू मीट the specific needs of the community and fostering a sense of ownership. It shows the importance of how they evolve their village lifestyles and how they grown up from like downstairs to upstairs. Okay, so basically we know in this phase in the like PRI, what is the challenges? As we know, the challenges which face in PRI basically face several challenges included bureaucratic. As you know bureaucratic meaning students, there are bureaucratic who held like local problems, and there are the bureaucratic in like higher ministers who like supposed to be village lifestyles and urban lifestyles. They open up many conflicts like we can say like their rural problems, okay, which they will supposed to be faced, and lack of awareness and limited financial resources addressing these issues is crucial for the effectiveness of PRI. So basically क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे एक बेटा जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट जो है उसको भी इंश्योर किया गया. एज वी नो SDG गोल, एज यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज द SDG गोल? सो स्टूडेंट जो SDG गोल है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो उसमें क्या बात की उसमें सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट की भी उन्होंने बात की है. ठीक है, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट मीन्स, ये स्टूडेंट एनीवन से व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट? which supposed to be future generations to provide those resources, means like not like lack of resources which will be erupt in this time, in this era. We will supposed to be save these resources for our future generation. Okay, so this is particularly basic meaning. Okay students, so basically beta in PRI we generally use, there are various roles of technology which upgrade our society in upper level. Okay, so technology can significantly enhance functioning of PRI. Digital tools can improve ट्रांसपेरेंसी की भी इम्प्रूवमेंट की है, एंड फैसिलिटेट कम्युनिकेशन means it is very easier, like it's supposed to be, there are no villages which is supposed to be in like technologically not advanced, but technology they upgrade their level in which sense, like there is transparency, facilitate communication and enable better service deliveries. As we know na कि हमें in rural like urban settlement, like we are supposed to be live in particular our town, so there are very easily communications between network communications, and also very easy to supply all the materials which we require in our daily life, very easier. So technology का बहुत अच्छा रोल है बेटा. Now we will see in PRI success story. तो success story in which sense we say numerous success story illustrate the transformative of power of PRI. Okay students, for improve infrastructure to better health outcomes. It means कि जो सारी हमने स्टोरीज, बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हम PRI में देखेंगे, आप इलिस्ट्रेट करेंगे अपने एग्जांपल से कि उससे क्या हुआ, हेल्थ आउटकम्स आए. दिस एग्जांपल शोकेस हाउ इफेक्टिव लोकल गवर्नेंस कैन लीड टू मीनिंगफुल चेंज एंड इंस्पायर्स टू अदर कम्युनिटीज. ओके, तो व्हाट इज द सस्टेनेबल गोल्स? As we know, PRI play a very crucial role in achieving a sustainable development goals by promoting inclusive governance. जो influencing governance है उसमें बहुत important रोल रहा है इसका. So students, इसका बहुत important रोल रहा है किसका? Sustainable development का. Okay students, so इसका बहुत important रोल रहा है. By promoting inclusive governance and community participation, they focus on local needs and local needs aligns with global agenda. एक particular agenda होता है, एक particular way का कि how to resolve their problems in a local bodies in a very few areas which we supposed to be to solve out the problems. Okay, so it also erupt the problem like poverty alleviation. As you know कि in rural areas में poverty alleviation बहुत ज्यादा मतलब impactful रहा है, impact भी बोल सकते हैं या बहुत ज्यादा रहा है, तो वो उस चीज को भी रोकना बहुत important है. So okay students, अब we will know what is the future perspective of PRI. Okay, so the future of पंचायती राज institution look promising यानी promise करते हो कि हाँ हमारे ये future prospects है, एक particular prospects है, with increasing recognition of their importance and strengthening their capacity and fostering collaboration. एक particular क्या बेटा वो एक collaborate करते हैं particular way में, they will collaborate the things which is very essential in पंचायती राज institution. Okay, so क्या करते हैं पंचायती राज institution look promising with increasing recognition and their importance and stakeholder. particular क्या होता है बेटा इसमें stakeholder होते हैं जो कि क्या करते हैं एक ग्रास, एक जो नीचे लेवल की प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको भी सुनने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल होते हैं. लाइक एक ग्रास रूट की अगर कोई कम्युनिटी है उसमें अगर एक लेवल बना दिया गया है कि डायरेक्टली वो एकदम से मजिस्ट्रेट के पास नहीं जाएगा, वो एक पर्टिकुलर अपने एरिया में प्रॉब्लम बोलेगा, देन वो सॉर्ट आउट होगी एक पर्टिकुलर वे में. ठीक है, सो ये बेसिकली क्या है, वी रेड in conclusion बेटा, in conclusion we can see पंचायती राज instrumental in empowering at grassroots democracy, driving local development. It is supposed to be to develop in local areas and to sort out their problem, to resolve their problems by overcoming challenges and leveraging opportunities. And they will provide very leveraging opportunities, like they will showcase, like they will give very opportunities to the female, and also in educational sectors they will provide a lot of opportunities. And PRI can continue to transfer rural landscape, एक particular rural landscape है जो उसमें भी क्या करता है PRI ट्रांसफॉर्म करता है. ठीक है, कि वहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर एरियाज को इतनी डेवलपमेंट चाहिए, एक ब्लॉक लेवल है तो ब्लॉक समिति बनाई गई है, जिला है तो जिला परिषद बनाया गया है. तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स जो है ये हमने PRI में पढ़ी, और PRI जो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है इन रूरल एरिया. सो थैंक यू क्लास. That's all about today's chapter. Hope you understand a very huge stuff, not we can say, but in a short we can learn about PRI. And PRI में, as we know, there are three tier which we had used in like 3 tier system. Okay, so hope you learn, and thank you.